Hi, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd show you a new project that we've got in. Going to be another fun one, as always, with everything that I team to buy and look to want to do as projects for myself, and keeping with the theme of older bikes. So, as you probably would have seen, we had the XS850, which was bought and done. This again is another sort of nostalgic bike, going back to my youth, a bike that I had. So let's get to it, let's show you it, what it looks like at the moment, and give you a run over it, and then we'll go and talk about what we're going to do. So here she is. She is a 1989 Honda CBR400. This is the NC23 variant. So this was the variant after the jelly mold. They made this, a lot of people called this the baby blade. I would say the bike after this, the NC29, from about 1990, was more truer to being the baby blade. This was its own bike in its own right, the NC23. As you'll see, currently sitting painted in Urban Tiger colourway. This was not a colourway that was made for this bike. This was obviously reference to the CBR 900 Fireblade, bigger brother, should we say, of this bike. So let's get down to it, what we're looking to do with this bike. Yeah, so a lot of work needs to be done with the bike. We're going to obviously have to get it back to its original colours. Original colourway was black, I believe, for this bike, for this year, original colour. So what I'll do is I'll put a picture in up here or something like that that will show you what it should look like. So we're going to have to obviously do that in regards to paintwork, but before we get into that, there's a lot of other stuff we've got to do on this bike. Obviously we're going to need to strip it down, we're going to need to, you know, check the bike over, you know, service it, check the brakes, you know, go through everything. This bike apparently has got an MOT, so we've been told. Same with anything, you know, whatever bike I get, whatever project it is that we get, I want to go through it. I want to make sure everything is, you know, right on these before obviously I'm going to be taking this bike out and riding it. So what we're going to do is do some videos, take you through all of what we're going to do, but I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a taster of what we've bought, and join us on the journey of restoring this back to its former glory. Should be fun, but just click the subscribe button, click the notifications, click the like button to stay subscribed and see the journey that we're going to do on this. But catch you on the next one.